whole orange one, they are air filled. They basically just leak out air and then go crazy. Blue one are the water fountains. The top, this part blows off and then they start shooting water. The flame always starts here. Once the flame touches here, it's big enough to touch here, the entire thing explodes. You can see there's air bubbles right here. The entire thing explodes. This one could potentially explode. There's an air bubble. But this one, they won't explode. They just simply leak out air and the fire gets blown out. Let's go. So now, this is a quick fuse, which means we gotta light it fast. All right, let's go. See, it's already going off. It's already going off. It's already going crazy. Yeah. See how quick the fuse is and see how, like, you know, how fast the fire goes off? That's why it's a quick fuse. All right, second quick fuse coming up. Let's go. Fuse is so flammable that you just gotta touch it with flame. And we're already off. All right, we're off. Should I call it the shrinker? Because it only likes to shrink. See, like, nothing gets burned off. All right, let's just take this again. Ooh. Sometimes that happens, but that was the first time that ever happened. Let's see if this blows up, just like what happened to the one that blew up. Oh my gosh, I hate this effect. Are we off? No, we're not yet. Oh, we're off. Yo, you can hear a whistling. What the heck? So there's more of a slower fuse this time because you probably know why. It's water balloon. And we're off already. So yeah, as the balloon goes off, you can see that it's probably gonna, like, yeah. Sometimes it sparks, it's normal. Why is it releasing so much smoke? Oh, and we're off. See, that's the water fountain. The water's literally frozen. Yo, the water's literally frozen. All right, so here is the result. The top, you can see, got, like, kind of torn off. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but yeah. Alright, so we're off again. The water sprinkler. It's gotta, like, sometimes it takes a while. Are we off? Hello? Anyway, let's just continue. Oh, we're off. So we're off on the fuse. Okay, it's a high voltage fuse. It's gonna get smaller, by the way. So no concern. There we go. No way, it's a dud. Dude. It's dripping water though. But is it a dud? Alright, so we're gonna continue lighting this. We're off. Why is it not on the fuse? The only area where the fire is like not on the fuse though. We poured some alcohol on it. Hopefully it works better. Alright, it's probably gonna pop. Oh. I knew that was coming. Well, that's one way to pop a balloon with fire. Why don't we just light another one? Oh, dang. That popped! What is going on? I think there was just too much air bubbles there. Let's retry this method. and see if we can get more stuff. Yeah, there's more air bubbles. It might pop. Let's go. Hopefully this doesn't pop. And hopefully the lighter doesn't. Okay. Okay, we're off. Oh, something popped. Oh, it's probably because of the air pocket at the tie. Oh gosh. All right, and there we off. We're off. We're off. Oh, that squirted on the lighter. Hey, yo, what the? So now you got the popping ones. So once it touches the air bubble right here, there's a pretty high chance it's gonna pop. So it's probably gonna be a quick fuse as well. Gonna get this out of the way as soon as we're off. All right, we're off. It's gonna pop anytime. As soon as it touches the air bubble, it's gonna pop. And what happens if it doesn't touch it? It's just gonna explode with water. And what will happen after? All right, what will happen after? What the heck? It made a fart sound. Let's call this the farty one. Anyway, so hopefully that it explodes, because that's what it is designed for. It could fart though. All right, touch the stuff. Touch the surface. Just touch the surface. Just let it do its business. Just let it touch the surface. Otherwise, we're just gonna like, oh. Dude. Are you seeing this right now? There's flames going on in there. And there's clearly water squirting it. Are you kidding me right now? Fuse is gonna go quite fast, so we gotta act fast as well. Okay. I knew that was gonna happen! So right here, you can see that the air bubble is quite close to the thing. So fuse is gonna also go fast. Alright. That's how fast the fuse is, I guess. Alright, so this one has a higher air bubble, so it's gonna explode louder. Oh, I can see it touching it. See? I can see the fire touching the air bubble. And also, that touching word is sus. How sus is it to say touching?